we have a streak of like 3 or 4 sunny days where it's not raining. So today is day 2 of those sunny days, and we're hoping to get our rigs up the driveway and parked in the yard by the end of these sunny days. So we decided to take our opportunity and get rid of some of these low-hanging branches and clear our driveway out.
So I'm cutting all this big stuff up. Emily's been trimming all the trees back. Works pretty slick with that little clippers. So now that we have all the trees trimmed up, let's get the backhoe started, and we will grab all those piles and throw them out of the way. So it's been a few months and my parents have come and gone with their rig through here, no problem. We've gotten our bus in, no problem as well. And we've actually had some friends come over and they were able to get their rigs in without hitting any trees. So it's definitely grown up quite a bit on the sides since we last did the clearing. I'll probably end up using the brush cutter and clearing it out probably 5 feet on either side of the trail eventually, just to get us a little bit more cleared space that's not overgrown. The backhoe has been working great for these tree clearing projects. Yeah, the 4-in-1 bucket, which can grapple, is really handy, and I've definitely gotten the hang of it. It was a little funny watching the first couple times I did any of the grappling with the bucket, because I had no clue what I was doing or had no feel for the machine yet. It was kind of fun to watch, but we've done a whole bunch since then, and yeah, we are making some progress on the property. If you want to support the channel, the best way to do that is just to hit that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps out quite a bit. If you want to support us in a more direct way, the best way to do that right now is through our YouTube channel memberships. If that's not your thing, totally understand. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Later.